Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to activate your Jana Bank debit card online. Activating your Jana Bank debit card is a straightforward process which can be accomplished in a couple of minutes. So let's get started without any ado. First of all, open a web browser on your mobile device or your computer. Now, type in janabank.com inside the URL box and search. You will then end up in the official website for Jana Bank, which looks like this. In order to activate your debit card, you can simply contact Jana Bank by calling on the toll-free number available at the top of the screen. Follow through the automated prompts via a phone call and you will be able to activate your debit card. Make sure to provide your details correct in order to complete the activation. Another way you can do so is by logging in to Jana Bank's internet banking. From the main homepage, click the login option and choose internet banking. In the login area, you will need to provide your credentials. Type in a username associated with your online banking account and then enter the CAPTCHA displayed right beneath. After you are done, click on continue and enter your password on the next page. Log into your Jana banking account by entering your correct credentials, and once you are logged in, you can simply go ahead and look for the card activation option and follow through the instructions to activate your debit card online. You can also go visit the nearest ATM machines for Jana Bank and follow through the instructions after entering your debit card inside the card slot. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.